Hello everybody. So hope you're doing well. We are again in this form of tier list of some sport activities. So we will rank some sport activities over here. We have skiing, cycling, skydiving, etc. So we will start. So yeah. So first let's start about skiing. Skiing is a good activity for me. So let me precise that all the activities is ranked. We ranked, in my opinion. Yeah. So skiing for me is a good activity. Skiing, excuse me. And I will rank it as an A. Yeah. About cycling, well, we see. I don't like it so much personally. I will put it in D. Yeah, because that activity for me is. I personally find it a little bit risky and dangerous. Yeah, you must fail, and if you don't have the yeah, if you aren't good at it, it can be stressful. And now about skydiving, it can be fun. I personally will do it, and I will rank it as A. Athletics. Now athletics is for me is a good activity. I was pretty good on it when I was younger, and yeah, and I think I will rank it also as a I. Now about karting, for me, I think it's one of my preferred activities, and I think it's a much fun than skydiving or skiing. Yeah, I will put it in S. Golf, same as cycling. Not very fun of it, and yeah, it can be bored for me, and I will drag it in D. Swimming, I will like it in some way, but yeah, not much as a B. Weight training, yeah. I have made a mistake here. Yeah, I think I will put it in C, cause I don't. My personal experience, personal view. I I don't get much fun of it, or I will get annoyed, and yeah, just as put it in C. Volleyball. About volleyball is a good activity, and I will put it in also in A. Now about football, soccer. I prefer this one also, as well as karting. It's a very good activity, and I will put it in the top. Climbing, yeah, as well as cycling and golf. I put it in D because I'm afraid of heights and yeah, if you are scared to fall off, yeah, put it for me in D. But if you know how to climb, good for you. And the last about water polo. It's a fun activity, and for me, we personally put it in the top. So here, yeah. Now we have all the activities putting in this tier list, and hope you. Yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you will like it. Don't forget to drop a like, a comment, and don't hesitate to share. Thank you.